2G Tooling are a subcontractor for the automotive industry, and you do a lot of milling operations, but why did you invest in the Sodick VL400Q?
Simple reason, we were shipping wiring out, we're subcontracting. Obviously it costs more, and secondly it's time and not having it in your own hands.
Now, was this the first experience that you had with EDM technology?
No, previously where I'd managed before, we run wivers all the time. It's part and parcel of press tooling.
Now, in regards to the press tooling that you do here, do you also find applications that you can take from your CNC VMCs and put onto the EDM technology on the Sodick?
Yeah, I'm going to say we've stuff, it just makes life simpler where you're able to just put it onto the wire as opposed to having to always put radiuses in corners and things like that. You can leave a sharp corner.
So does it save time?
Saves time, saves effort. Put it on the machine's running, you're doing something else.
What about the accuracy and the surface finish?
Accuracy is measured in surface finish. That's how accurate they are. The surface finishes are absolutely superb on this machine.
And what about running costs?
Running costs are very low. It has new state electronics in it, so it keeps it all really low. Automatic shut-offs and all that sort of thing when it's finished.
Now, why, in your opinion, aren't more people using this technology and embracing this technology? For me, I believe it's got a place in most engineering workshops.
Probably down to skills, skill and understanding the actual process itself. When you see a piece of wire and you see electric charge going through it, it might scare people, but it's a good technology to learn.
So once you've learnt it, how long would it take to learn, in your opinion?
The actual machine and the technology, you'll be picked up in weeks to a few months. But obviously knowing the know-how going into that takes years.
So in your opinion, if you had certain applications that you were doing on a CNC machine, could you do them more efficiently and more cost effectively on an EDM wire?
Yeah, certain applications. No, we can cut hardened blocks up to 200 mil to accuracies that you can't entertain on a CNC milling machine.
Now, with the Sodick product here, how have you found it?
Sodick's been very good. Support's been excellent. Again, this machine's serviced, it's had its first year service, and everything's it's really good with them, really smooth.
And the programming?
Programs are doddle. Very simple, that's the thing, I'm going to say. We have an apprentice who's in his third year, he programs most of the parts that go on here.
Chris, thank you.
Cheers.